Hey guys, it's Madison back with another video. And for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be doing DIY stickers. I've been wanting to do this video for so long now, but I've never got the time to do it. But I finally do. And I just want to thank you guys so much for all your support, especially for 60 subscribers. And if we can get to 100, I will have a giveaway. But my current goal right now is 65. And thank you guys for just even watching my videos, even if you don't like them. Just thank you guys because y'all making my views go up. So thank you so much. And my likes, thank you guys for liking my video. But I'm going to try to get to 20 likes for this video. And no thumbs down because, like, why? But thank you guys for so much of your support. And I know that this tutorial is not the best, but it's my first time doing a tutorial ever on my YouTube channel, just ever in period. And it's my first time doing a voiceover, so yeah. And if you guys are not clear of any of the instructions, just feel free to comment
down below. And it's really exciting for me. I got first to build my whole entire 11 years. I've been alive my whole entire life, and it's really good, guys. The only thing is, I was confused, like, it comes with this little thingy on top with a bowl picture. I'm like, and I was like, and I have to click it, so I was like, how do I work this? But I just got a mixed pronunciation. Alright, so yeah, and so it was really good. And comment down below if you guys have ever tried a boba, because it's really good. Collaborations, let's talk about that. So, if you guys would like to collaborate with me, just feel free to comment down below. And as you guys know, I would like to do a really long intro, so subscribe, like, comment, and without further ado, let's get into this video.
So the first thing you guys will need are markers and colored pencils. Paper, Mod Podge, paintbrushes, scissors, and last but not least, clear tape. This is just a draft of how I want my drawings to look, so I wouldn't have to go back on my phone and see how I want them to be drawn every 2 seconds. It was just way easier. And after you finish drawing them, you just want to color them in marker, obviously. And after you're finished drawing them and coloring them, you just want to cut them out. And after you cut all of your images out, all you want to do is just cut a piece of tape and put the back part of your drawings on the clear piece of tape. And since my drawings were a little bit small, one piece of tape could fit about 3 or 4. And obviously you want to cut them out individually because you don't want them to stay on that one piece of tape. But I just thought it was easier to just put 3 or 4 drawings on one piece of tape. And I also decided to put tape over the image too, but this is optional. I just wanted my sticker to be a little bit more tougher. I just didn't want it to be some flimsy paper. I just want it to be a little bit sturdy so it can kind of look like it's laminated. I think that's how you pronounce it, guys. But I don't know. And you also, after you're finished, you want to cut off the access tape. And as you guys can see, this kind of took me a while because I wanted to get the tape perfectly on the drawing. But if you guys don't, then that's totally fine. It really doesn't matter, it's just I'm extra. And as you guys can see, I have tape on the front and back part of my sticker. This part might be a little confusing, but you want to cut a piece of tape, and the non-sticky part of the tape, you want to put Mod Podge on and put that on the back of your sticker.